how to enable parental control on YouTube. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and move into the site youtube.com. Once you are in here, tap on your profile at the top right corner and then click on restricted mode off. Here all you want to do is enable this option. Once it is enabled, once again click on your profile and then head over to settings. Inside settings, head over to channel status and features. This interface will pop up. Head over to channel and then move into advanced settings. You will need to read all of those guidance given here, and also different options will be visible to you. You need to set according to your needs. Well, if the kids can view the video that you have posted, then you can set the settings to the first option. Yes, this channel is made for kids, but if some of the videos are not meant for kids and you don't want them to see the video, then you can simply set the settings to no, this channel is not made for kids. Or you can also choose the third option, I want to review these settings for every video. Here you can also tap on this checkbox, don't show potential inappropriate words, and then click on save at the bottom right corner. Once it has been saved, it will enable the parental control on YouTube and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was your tutorial video on how to enable the parental control on YouTube. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.